Hi, you guys, it's Miss Skiba here. So, I hope you guys are having an awesome week so far. No school on Monday, so we're back at it on Tuesday to do some reading. And the first thing you guys are going to do is make another book, just like we've been doing from your learning packet. So, you're going to find the packet pages for the story Lost and Found. And you're going to need scissors and a stapler, just like last week, to piece your book together. This slide shows you exactly how your book should go. You have your pages numbered in order, and then don't forget, we're going to be cutting on the dotted line, and we're going to be folding on the middle solid line to create your book. So, when in reading, we've been thinking a lot about our characters, or the people or animals in our story. So today, you guys are going to read Lost and Found, and you're going to be thinking how your character or your people or animals in your story try to solve the problem. So what is a problem? A problem is something that goes wrong in the story. Every story has a problem and something that the characters have to try and solve. When the characters work to solve the problem, it's called a solution, or how the problem is solved. So right here you can see that this little girl was having a big problem. It was raining and she was getting all wet. So she's a character, and they tried to brainstorm about what solution they could come up with to solve the problem. And so, what did they get her? Do you know what this is? Right, they got her an umbrella to keep her from getting wet. So the solution was the umbrella. The problem was that the girl was getting wet, and they solved it by getting her an umbrella. So, today you guys are going to read the book Lost and Found, and you're going to pay really close attention to how the character solves the problem. What is the solution to the problem? Remember, we're still going to be looking, thinking, and reading. That's our strategy. You guys have practiced it so much. I know you're getting so good at it. So we're going to look at the illustrations or the pictures in our story. And then we're going to think about what these illustrations might be telling us. And then we're going to read the words in the book to piece it all together and figure out what the book is telling us. Remember, we're going to be paying really close attention, magnifying glass, on the characters, thinking about how they're solving the problem. What is the problem? What is going wrong in the story that needs to be fixed? How did the characters try and fix that story? Or how did they try and fix that problem? I'm sorry. How the characters try and fix that problem? And then in the end, how do they eventually fix the problem? What was their solution in the end? So I hope you guys enjoy reading Lost and Found. It's a really good book about something that goes missing. So I want you guys to be thinking about how you felt anytime you've ever lost something, or if anything goes missing, and how you either solve that problem or how you think you would solve that problem. What would your solution be? And hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow for reading. Thanks, guys.